Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Husni Andi Zainuddin. I am the fourth semester of Big D class State Islamic Institute of Palopo. So today I would like to talk about kinds of sentence, but I will explain just two of them. They are active voice and passive voice. So the first that I will explain is active voice. What is active voice? Active voice is a sentence which the subject identifies the agent or the actor. For example, as you can see in here, Andi studies morphosyntax. She broke the door. Husni told a story. I went to school. She goes to market, and many more, and others. So next is passive voice. What is passive voice? Passive voice is a sentence which the subject identifies the person or the thing that undergoes the action. So the verb form of passive voice is be plus past participle. So you have to remember, you have to underline that be in here is not be of past participle, but be in here is based on the sentence. For example, the sentence is present, so the be that we have to use is is, or are. Next, I will give you three examples of active voice that we will change it into passive voice. So the first is I write a book. If you want to change active voice into passive voice, the first step that you have to do is switch object and subject. So you have to put a book into I position. A book. And next is change the verb into passive. So that I already explained before that the verb form of passive voice is be plus past participle. So the be in here is because the sentence is present and the subject right now is just one, is a book. So is, and the verb changed to be past participle. It means written. The next step is after verb or before object, we have to put by. And the last is change subject, put subject into object position. It means I change to be me. Okay, so the second example is the student studied English. So the first, remember the first object, we have to put object into subject position. English. And then we change verb into passive. Because the sentence is past, so the be that we have to use is also past, was or were. And the subject in here is English. It means the be that we have to use is was. English was studied after verb or before object we put by the students. I'm sorry for my write is not good. So the next example is we have both a new car. The first is a new car. And I just want to tell you in here, don't focus in here because have in here is not for have in here is for we, is be of we, not be for this not be for a new car, because this is a new car is single right now, so you have to use has, and past participle of both is still both by we, because the position right now is object, it means it changed to be us. So that's all about active voice and passive voice for me. I hope you understand, and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.